In the next video, you will see how you can set a shortcut to open its startup. First, you need to create shortcuts for the applications you want to open its startup. Press Windows key plus R to open Run and Write Shell Startup. Copy and paste the shortcuts to the startup folder. To see if they are opening correctly, restart the computer. When the computer starts, both shortcuts for the text message and Gmail will open. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.